How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about exercises before bed to lose weight. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So I would say these exercises I would do before you shower and before you go to bed, because you don't want to do these exercises right before going into bed, because then your bed's going to smell because you're going to be sweaty. So some of the exercises that I recommend before going to bed is jumping jacks, push-ups, crunches. These three should be the main ones that you are targeting. Jumping jacks are insanely good. They're very, very intense. Every single repetition that you're doing with a jumping jack, you are lifting yourself off the ground. So it's super, super intense. I highly, highly recommend the jumping jack. Push-ups, again, push-ups are going to train your chest, your shoulders, and your triceps. So you're going to get an amazing pump. It's the king of upper body movements. So I really recommend the push-up. Crunches, everyone wants nice abs, so crunches are really good. I recommend when doing your crunches though, try to have a dumbbell behind your head so you can add some resistance. Same thing when you're doing the jumping jacks and the push-ups. If you have access to a backpack, put some plates inside the backpack, even if it's just 5 or 10 pounds, and do your jumping jacks with some added weight. It makes it way harder. Same thing for the push-ups. Put a backpack on, put some weight, and then it just makes the push-ups that much harder. It's actually a great way to progressively overload is by adding weight to a backpack. So really, really recommend that, you guys. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.